Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this new Mosaic crochet book that I got. I've already got this one, and this one I think was last year's or the year before, and it's by Anna Moras Suarez. I can't say her name. Anna Suarez. I think that's Suarez. I do apologise if I haven't said it correctly. Now, what she does is she makes up all these mosaic patterns, and this is the newest one. I'll flick through this one first. I've done this one before. I did do this pattern, believe it or not. I've set it aside and I haven't actually finished it. I've been doing that pattern for a blanket, and I'll need to get back into finishing it. Now she shows you how quite easily to do mosaic squares. There's some beautiful, stunning blankets in here as well. They're not all mosaic in this book. I will put links to Amazon where I got them, and I'm not getting paid to do this. I did buy these myself, and because I thought they were really, really pretty. I'll flick through this one. She shows you how to do them in different styles. There's different blankets in it. It's not all mosaic in this book. It's not all mosaic. Some of it is just little made up patterns. Really easy. She explains everything really, really well. I've done a little bit like that as well before. Everything's all very well explained. Not quite for the beginner. Maybe a little bit more advanced, but I think beginners could pick up some of the rows, some of the much easier blankets like this one. Now this is the newest one, this one here, and that's her name there. Beautiful. Now this one is all mosaic as far as I'm aware. I've had a little glimpse through it. Absolutely stunning patterns. Now she starts right at the beginning, and what she does, it is in USA terms. We'll go to the beginning. I'm not bringing it right up. I don't want anyone sort of saying that I'm leaving it open to get someone to take it without buying it. And I did buy this. Now, she does start off with an introduction, as most of them do, and then all are patterns, and they are all mosaic. She explains it really, really well, even for someone who's just going to start doing this for the very first time. She's got US terms and UK terms. Now, most of the patterns are actually explained in US terms, but it's quite easy just to get a little post-it note and put the equivalent of what SC means. In the USA, it's a it's a single crochet, but in the UK, it's a double. You just need to put a little post-it note on and put SC equals double crochet, and their double crochet USA. The USA double crochet, which is a DC, is a UK treble. You can write that on a post-it note and then just peel it off and move it as you go along. Now, she gives you lots of details, lots of detailed information, but I just thought I would just get this book and show you some of the work in it. It's absolutely beautiful. She shows you how to make tassels as well for your blankets. Really easy, how very, very detailed, and it's written as well. So it's easy to follow how to do the very basics of this overlay mosaic crochet. Now I have done a video on my channel, and I'll put a link up at the end that you just click on the box and you can go see how to do basic overlay crochet for mosaic patterns. And these patterns are beautiful. Look at these. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all of those. And don't be daunted by this. You should give it a try. Start with a little square and see how you get on. She does it in graph form and she does it written out as well. So it's easy enough to follow it and how much of the pattern repetition to put in. Beautiful. I think this is stunning. I'm really, and that's in a little bit more detail. She tells you how to do the borders as well. Beautiful. Some of them are so simple patterns, easy to follow. That one would be quite it looks daunting, but believe me, once you get used to that, it's not. You're only going straight across. There's no turning, no flipping your work. You'll just go back to the start with your next colour and go along, and then go back to the start with your colour and go along. Really pretty. A lot of people don't like having to stitch in their ends, or she shows you how to crochet them, and you don't need to sit with a darning needle and do all your ends. That is a beautiful, look at that one. Can you imagine doing that, starting that for Christmas? Beautiful. But anyway, I thought I would just show you. That's a lady there. I just thought I would show you this new book that I've got. So now the price. Now the price of this book, I'm a little bit gutted, really gutted, because I pre-ordered this. My friend Elizabeth got hers before I did. I got this just a few days ago, and I paid $17.95 for it. And I've just looked on Amazon, and it's down in paperback version for £8.05. £8.05 it's down to. This one, I paid about 15 for this one, and this is down to £7.49. £7.49 that's down on Amazon in the paperback. So I take it that's this version, because that's paper, that's not like a hardback. But either way, this might get sold out quickly because it's new. I'm really gutted about. I'm never going to do a pre-order of a book again on Amazon. I'm going to wait until once it's out and go check the price, because once a week or two into a book coming out, the price drops and I'm really gutted about that. You know, I would be so tempted to send this back and get all my money back and order the cheaper one, order the one that's now cheaper in price. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to pre-order books again. So just check around. I got mine on Amazon. If this isn't available in Amazon in your area, try other bookstores. Try WH Smith's. Try online and see if you can get it any cheaper. But it's saying paperback in the UK, £8.05. That's about maybe $9, $10 or something like that. If you're in the USA, it's not a lot of money now. And I'm really taken aback that I paid so much for this. And that is the book Mosaic Crochet, and that is the lady's name there. If you type that into Amazon, you're going to get this way cheaper than I paid for it. And I'm really gutted that I paid the full price for it, and it's now almost half price. It's almost half price already. And I want to thank everyone who's been supporting my channel, all my members who are regular monthly. They give me a monthly donation. I want to thank you all very, very much. All the people who click on that little super thank heart and give a little bit just to help the channel to keep running as well. And all the ones who have been going on my coffee page. There is a link underneath the video. If you want to become a member of the channel, click on the members. Click on the member button. There is a little button down there that you can become a member, and that really helps the channel out as well. So thank you so much to everyone for all your support. We are nearly up to 300,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.